Dick Grayson had a loving mother and father, a glamorous life as a circus serialist. Everyone loved their performance. But now, the kid is orphaned. Bruce Wayne witnessed the tragedy and recognized himself in Dick's pain. So he took the boy in. But it became a challenge for the Dark Knight and also his faithful and father figure butler, Alfred Pennyworth. As Bruce lost his parents at very young age, he doesn't have any experience to handle a child. So to fill that gap, Alfred steps in, tries his best to guide the young Dick. But the Gotham City Child Protective Services do not take it well. The officer Laura Lane thinks Wayne took the kid for positive PR to become famous among the people. But she makes sure that the kid will be in the right place, not in the Wayne manor. So she visits there for the inspection. Bruce welcomes her by showing his charm and also tells her there is no need to worry. The boy is safe in this house. But as he opens the door, they see Dick is playing inside the big room, jumping from the ceiling, and she finds it inappropriate as the kid might hurt himself. So she takes the note, and before leaving, she also reminds them she will be keeping a close eye on both Wayne and the kid. But Bruce is only concerned about Dick's training. While he wanted to protect the kid, but he also pushed him to train and fight crime, sometimes exposing him to danger. So one night, when Batman was busy solving the ongoing gang war in his city, Alfred approaches him to get his attention regarding Dick, but none of his words reach into his ears. Bruce is totally lost in the case, and that time, Alfred loses his patience. He yells at him. Even Bruce is surprised that it is the first time he raised a voice at him. He doesn't like it, but he also knows Alfred did it for a reason. So he asks him, what is it? So Alfred takes him into the manor, which is messed up. Dirty clothes are scattered all over the place. So Alfred tells him to use his detective skills, and the clues lead them to Dick's room. He has locked himself in his room, eating junk foods, watching cartoon, and Alfred tells Bruce he is responsible for the boy, not him. So fix this mess. But Bruce doesn't know how to solve it. He thought if he gave him the freedom, he had used it responsibly. He thought Dick would be an easy kid to raise, but Alfred tells him the boy is not him. He's a tornado in sweatpants. The boy needs structure. The next day, Officer Lane again shows up. So Alfred welcomes her, and while she enters through the hallway, Alfred presses a hidden button, alerting Bruce and Dick about her arrival. They just returned from a mission, so Bruce quickly shows up, making an excuse of doing morning workout. And to show her the boy is in good hand, Alfred quickly runs. He approaches Dick and tells him to wear the pajamas, pretend he just woke up. So Dick performs the act, but he is looking tired. So she tells Bruce to give the kid his proper rest tonight, as tomorrow is a new day. So as she leaves the manor, Dick becomes curious as what's special about tomorrow, but Bruce only smiles as from the next day, a new chapter in Dick's life begins. Welcome to school. So which part you like the most? Let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.